Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week so far, and welcome to a new update on Matic. Covering it again. I covered this, I think, on Sunday or Monday, and after that, some of you requested it more often, which I like to do. I like Matic. I've been holding it for a super long time. So yeah, we're going to do a full technical analysis. We'll take a look at some. We'll take a look at some fundamentals as well. I think that's good, and in the end, hopefully, you're optimally prepared for everything that could happen. All right, we'll talk about that. We'll talk about the different scenarios, and then I'll tell you what I think is most likely. All right, so let's get right into it. So Matic, first of all, technically, still very bullish. Like there's no it has found a strong resistance here between 65 and 67 cents, and it has that level has provided some resistance since yesterday, and after that we also got some bearish confirmation, but in the end Matic is still very bullish. All right, so that's purely technically the situation right now. Then if we take a look at some network statistics for Polygon, what you'll see is that those are fine. Like the total value locked actually has increased a bit by almost 10%. I think it's between 7 or 8%. So fundamentally Polygon is doing fine. I mean, it's a bit of an increase. It's not that much. Like the Polygon ZK EVM, basically since the end of July, it hasn't been better than then. All right, so you should know that. I don't think it matters that much on the short term. On the long term, I still think Polygon is a great project. But now the big question is can Matic actually rally up higher? The next price target in my eyes is around 70 cents, a little bit higher as well, like between 70 and 72 cents. And the big question is can it get there? And the short answer is yes. The long answer, which is what is more valuable, I think, is that it depends on Bitcoin, which I hate to say that, all right? I would like to just do an analysis on Matic and then tell you with that. But if you take a look at this, like over the last 30 days, which is the long-term correlation, Matic has been correlated with Bitcoin for 80%. All right, so 80% of the moves are the same as Bitcoin. So it just depends heavily on Bitcoin. And I will make it personal for Matic. Like for Bitcoin, the situation right now is will it be able to hold 33,500? If not, it's going to drop down. If yes, it can rally higher. For Matic, that level is this level right here at 60 cents. A major support level supported by multiple Fibonacci levels, including the 0.382 Fib of the move up. So what's going to happen is Matic is going to test that level. It's going to drop down to that level and it's going to test it. If it's able to hold it and get a bullish breakout above 62.5 from there, then it will rally at least back up to 66 cents again and probably up higher towards 70 cents. All right, so it depends on that touch at 60 cents. Because the other side of the story is that Matic drops down to that level, finds support there initially, but then drops down below it. And if that happens, Matic will fall down towards 58 cents, probably down to this level right here at 56/56.5 cents. And from there, it could still become bullish from there, but it's going to be hard. And it's going to be hard from there to get all the way up to 70 cents. So then it's more likely that it will consolidate or drop down lower, depending on Bitcoin. All right, so that is what matters. That's the full analysis. That's practically everything you need to know. But obviously, or most of you like to know what I think is most likely. And I think it's hard to say. All right, that's not what you want to hear, but it's just tough to say in these market circumstances. I expect a pullback. I expect a pullback from Bitcoin. All right, and I think usually altcoins, especially when the Bitcoin dominance is this high, usually altcoins overreact, and therefore I think it's more likely that that Matic will fall down to that 58 cents level at least, and then if it's not able to regain 60 cents as a support, fall down towards 56.5 cents as well. I'd say that's most likely. All right, so if that doesn't happen, I'm wrong, but in the end, I think this analysis is way more valuable. All right, so that's my take on Matic. Apart from this, I also have my own premium group. I'm a full-time trader. Here I post all of my trades, and we're having a great week so far. So if you're interested in that, consider joining. Links will be down in the description or in the pinned comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.